Watch me get Kevin while he's trying to film.
Welcome back to themetalfinisher.com. It started switching.
Wheelbarrow.
Get to look at that brown hole. All right. Welcome back to themetalfinisher.com. Today we're going to show you a quick video showcasing the Empire Pressure Blast Unit. We're also going to be showing you the Empire Suction, where we're going to be trying to remove powder coat. Stay tuned. If you need a microphone for bees, French for Thanks for joining us again here at themetalfinisher.com. If you have any product or process reviews you'd like us to tackle, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. Also, like us on Facebook. That's going to be the Mobile Blaster Facebook page. And also, if you got time, head on over to Blue Dog Blasting. Get out there and blast.